ang mayor. Kasi yung type ng personality niya, nadadala din niya sa pagiging mayor niya. Kung ano yung gusto niya, which is for the general welfare and greater good, ini-insist niya talaga. Even though merong collateral damage na tinatawag, he's very headstrong. We're not very close. We're not very close because I come from a broken family. So, at the time that the marriage broke up, I went with my mother. And when we rarely see him sa bahay, he was always at work. People, hindi sila naniniwala. Hindi kami nag-uusap, pero hindi kami magkaaway. Ganun lang talaga yung relationship namin. Ganun yung kinalakihan ko. Believe it or not, we never discuss trabaho. Kasi nga, in the first place, hindi nga namin dinidiscuss anything else all the more trabaho pa. He's done so much for Davao City. In fact, he has given up a lot of his personal life, including his family life, for Davao City. Ganun kami tumingin sa kanya eh. That's why I call him Mayor Rudy. Except in really private, gatherings, doon ko lang siya tinatawag na Papa. But otherwise, I call him Mayor Rudy because he's a good mayor. Davao is work in progress. Work in progress, and we hope to put ourselves in a map sa Asia, hindi lang sa Pilipinas.
Do you think you are a good mayor?
Wala pa naman nagsabi. Siguro yung mga good mayors, sila yung mga nakaka-receive ng award as mayors. But I haven't received any award as a mayor, so I'm a work in progress din.